Now let's do the second problem. That is limit of the function x minus 22 by 7 when x is approaching pi. Okay, now x is approaching pi from both sides. Okay, so we can assume that the value of x is almost pi. So we'll put the value of pi and find the limit. Okay, pi minus, so instead of x we put pi minus 22 by 7. That's it. The value of pi is some 3.141. No need to put that. This is enough because here it says x approaches pi, so that's enough. Pi minus 22 by 7. Okay, that's it. Now let's do the third question. Okay, now limit of the function pi r square as r is approaching 1. Now the r is approaching 1 from both sides, so we can assume it to be almost 1, so we can put the value 1. Okay, so pi 1 whole square, which is equal to pi. Okay, that's it. Now the fourth question, that is find the limit of the function 4x plus 3 by x minus 2. Okay, when x is approaching 4. Now x is approaching 4. In the number line, if you take x is 4, x is approaching from both sides. As it comes closer and closer to 4, it's almost 4. We can assume it to be 4, so we will put the value of 4 in the function. Okay, so 4 multiplied by 4 plus 3 whole divided by 4 minus 2, which is equal to 4 16 plus 3 whole divided by minus 2, which is 19 by 2. Okay, that's it. Now the fifth question, that is limit of the function x raised to 10 plus x raised to 5 plus 1 whole divided by x minus 1. Now limit of this function when x is approaching minus 1. Same thing again, x is approaching minus 1 from both sides, so we can assume it to be minus 1. So we put the value minus 1 and solve it. Okay, find the limit. So it will be minus 1 whole raised to 10 plus minus 1 whole raised to 5 plus 1 whole divided by minus 1 minus 1. So since this is a even number, we have 1. This is our number, we have minus 1 plus 1 whole divided by minus 1. This is become minus 2. So this positive 1 and negative 1 get cancelled out. You get minus 1 by 2. Okay, that's it.